Okay, last video for today. We've got two more things to do. The square is probably the easiest one. So draw yourself a square. On a square, all the sides are equal. So make your little mark. 1, 2, 3. They can each get one because they're all four equal. It again has two sets of parallel lines. So make one up here. These two would go on forever and never touch. And let's do two like this right there and two right here, denoting that they also would go on forever and never touch. Then for right angles, I'm not going to mark them on here. I am going to mark the diagonals like we've been doing. So draw straight through your diagonal on this square. You should have a large X right there, right through the middle, because you went from corner to corner on the square. And then we'll type in all of our answers. So parallel sides on the square, two pairs of parallel sides, because top and bottom go on forever and never touch, left and right go on forever and never touch. So this should be two sets. Side lengths, all equal. So all equal. All four sides are equal because it is a square. All angles are also equal. So all equal. You can add right here. They're all equal right angles because all four are right angles like a rectangle. Our diagonals, the yellow lines that we drew right there, they bisect. They turn it into two equal right triangles. So the diagonals of a square bisect. That is it for the top part of this. This will be very helpful as you go on through this unit to come back and look at this. A lot of times the diagonals will be confusing or you'll forget something. This is a very helpful page for this topic. The last part is the special trapezoid, the isosceles trapezoid. So let's do that quickly and we are done. So your quadrilateral, even though you don't have the exact table for this one, this is an isosceles trapezoid. It's a special trapezoid. This is the triangle with its head cut off, like I said yesterday. The picture, I'm going to try to draw one in quickly here. So something like this, make a line on top, then come down, and then connect it back here. That is an isosceles trapezoid. So your parallel sides, to be a trapezoid, it has to have one set of parallel sides, like that one we did on top a few minutes ago. So mark your one set of parallel sides, top and bottom, go on forever and never touch, left and right. That's not true for. That's all you got to do for the marking part of this one. Let's skip over to parallel sides. I know you don't have this exactly on your paper, but an isosceles triangle, or excuse me, an isosceles trapezoid does have left and right equal sides. So left and right equal sides. Oh shoot, that should be in side lengths. So just write on your paper, left and right equal sides, one set parallel. So one set parallel sides, left and right are equal side lengths. So technically this should be up here and this should be right there. The angles, there's nothing special about the angles and there's nothing special about the diagonals. So the special part of an isosceles trapezoid is that these two are equal. These are called the legs and this is called the base. So you might want to mark these right here as the legs and the top and bottom is the base. The legs are equal in an isosceles trapezoid. The base is the parallel side. They are not equal because bottom's definitely longer than the top. So that's the special trapezoid called an isosceles trapezoid, or it's like a triangle with a head cut off. Okay, you're going to keep going. So that this page should be completely done. Your first page should be completely done. You're just going to keep going and finish this packet and turn it in. The next page, you can just go ahead and do the back. The back page, I'm going to give you a few answers for quickly here. So number 1 on the back page has 2 answers. Number 2 also has 2 answers. Number 3 has 4 answers. Number 4 has 5 answers. Number 5 has 4 answers. Number 6 has 3 answers. So when you get to the back, that is how many answers that each question has. Finish this packet and turn it in, and you are done.